everyone, I'm Naman Gupta from zbyte. Welcome to the new episode of Developer Spotlight. And today we just don't have like a one developer, but four. So welcome to the Developer Spotlight episode. Advait, Sahil, Nishtha, and
Yeah,
Nishiganda. And I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. But you guys have done some, really great job at your tab. What the thing that I'm actually hearing, and I'm quite excited to have a look at your tab and the process. So please take us through your tap, how does it really look, you all have created, and welcome to the Developer Spotlight episode.
thank you.
Thank you, Naman. I'll begin. I'll share the dApp we created.
Yeah, please share your screen. Yeah.
Advait will start the narration. Yeah.
Uh, yeah, sure. Okay, so first of all, with the hackathon that we participated in, one of the major things that was told to us about it was the UI, the how important in UI is for the dApp, and actually how important it's for an actual application too, right? It should look good. And the thing, the topic that was presented was outfit of the day. So again, that's a great topic to have for an NFT mentor. Uh, so the our UI is primarily handled by Nishikanda and Nishta. They are very good at UI design, and the backend stuff was handled by me and Sahil. Uh, Moving on towards the actual dApp, Nishta. Okay, so the main thing about the dApp is the uh, camera widget, right? We have to take a photo and mint it into an NFT, the outfit you're wearing, and we have to basically create a memory of that day itself.
Mm.
So the main thing was the camera widget, which was quite as simple to implement. There was basically a component, and we just had to load that component into this screen itself. It's very
Okay,
simple.
so what is the exactly idea of outfit of the day? Is it like a user is coming onto your DApp, right? And now what next?
Okay, so the basic idea of an NFT is something that you own, right? You own that NFT, you own that image completely. And the outfit of the day basically, let's say you have a great outfit, you're going for an interview like this for something like this, and you just want to
Yeah.
make that memory yours only. Like you just want to own that memory itself. So you can basically go to this tab, take a picture of yourself, and just mint it into an NFT easily
In the form of
without
an
any
NFT.
hassle. Yeah,
Okay, so once a user is actually clicking this picture, it will be displayed onto the display
uh,
page, right?
yeah. It'll basically be displayed on the display page. So
Okay.
again, we also added an option to name the outfit, right? So you can basically name your outfit whatever you want, what the special occasion was for for that outfit, or what the name of the outfit was, right?
Okay.
So Nishtha, just click a picture of yourself and just let us know what the outfit is. Now we just have to wait for the app to completely load the image, right? So we'll get an alert here that the picture is captured. And after that, we enter the name of the outfit. Nishtha is an outfit, and we just mint it. So here, basically, we're minting an NFT through the zbyte platform, right? So we have to pay a
Yeah.
transaction fee over here. And it takes a bit of time to mint the outfit, mint the
Yeah.
picture.
Perfect. The UI looks really, really good.
Yeah,
I mean, the
yeah,
design, the everything that you've created. Was working
yeah.
on the UI?
Nishtha and Nishikanda, you can speak on. Nishtha, you want to say how you designed the UI?
Oh, it was very difficult. There was no option to get it from Canva directly. So what happened was, I'll show you after this. But basically, the image was kind of cropped and needed to be a bit height. We needed the height to be increased. So I had to kind of cut and paste elements in Canva over it, colored triangles and rectangles over it to complete
Ah,
it.
very nice.
Yeah,
I guess in that case, the effort is actually paying off.
yeah.
Otherwise, a
Nishkanda,
blank box wouldn't be look.
Okay,
yeah,
this
okay,
is
so
done.
yeah, the NFT has been minted right now.
This was
Nice.
the older dry run
Yeah, the
picture, I
older,
know. Please ignore. Oh, here it is.
and
Wait,
the images
all
will
the
be
name
displayed
is
as an
here.
NFT. The outfit of name will be displayed in the top left
Where
corner.
is it? Yeah, is it visible? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Just let me know what you need to explain. So I'll just click on it. Yeah.
yeah. So again, this was basically the. It's a zbyte actually provided a very great UI to develop a dApp, right? So we can basically drag whatever we want from the left hand side onto this and edit it as per need, right? Uh, as for the Nishikanda?
Adit, you got stuck.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, yeah. Am I visible now?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you
Okay.
are.
Yeah. So for the UI part, would Nishikanda like to explain how she did it or how she found it?
Shall I begin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, so the zbyte app was really new for me, and when I started to design the UI, I have just gone through the whatever UI, whatever the instructions were given how to use it and all. So there was a different homepage section, and I used the frame. Like there was a frame, there was a container, and I just there were option for like I just took the URL of design from Canva, and I just added to this. There was a container, and I just copied the link to it, and then the image was created in that container, and then like that I have created 3 pages, and then we just took the designs from Canva, like whatever suitable designs for this. Yeah, and then designing the buttons and how will be the configuration of the layout of the page, and then borders and all. Yes, that's it.
Uh,
Nice.
thank you. Yeah, so again, it was, I'd say it was, okay, the design was very good, and zbyte allowed us to create, what can I say, innovative designs for this, I'd say. And okay, so, so going on to the backend part, there were three things that, there were three essential pages to this, right? The home page, the click picture page, and the display page. On the home page, basically the home page was just a, what can I say, a display of our UI. You can say, like how good it can look, how good it is. It
It's
was
more
just
of
a,
a landing page.
yeah, it's a more
Yeah,
of a
the
landing
first
page.
one. Yeah, what you see,
Yeah,
what you see, what people see sells. So we have to make
yeah.
it.
Mm,
Yeah.
nice.
uh, then came the click picture page, which required the, I'd say, the most extensive backend of the whole app, which comparatively is not that much compared to how we would traditionally build something like this, right?
Mm,
So zbyte made it very easy for that. There were two main uh, that there were two main components to it, which was the IFPS
But do you
converter.
mind if
So
I take over?
yeah, sure. Sahil
Okay,
designed
so
the
yeah.
IFPS camera widget, so he should
So
take it
like
over from here.
there were two requirements for us to complete this app. The
mm,
one was the NFT one, which Advait explained, and then another one was the IPFS. So like
mm,
IPFS stands for Interplanetary File System, which basically means that
mm,
the image is stored in individual blocks, many individual blocks to store eventually stored in the blockchain. So which makes it safer. So if we are storing the image on the blockchain, so that creates a problem because the URL you are accessing will not load the image. We have to convert the URL from IPFS URL to the normal URL, which is HTTPS. So like
mm.
that code was written in the convert URL. Nishta, can you please go to the convert URL?
Yeah. What was, sorry, convert your, right? Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, inside the JS object.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, you can see that in the CID we are storing the IPFS URL which we got, and in the IPFS URL we are storing the converted URL, means the normal URL which you can display uh, on the web. So now, Nista, please go to the JS object. Yeah. So and this is the we can say that this is the NFT JS object. In this, we are creating a dictionary called NFT data and passing the output name as well as the converted IPFS URL to the NFT. So like after we pass this to the NFT, it is stored in the form of blockchain, of course, and in the third place, which is a display page, you can just fetch from the we can just fetch from the blockchain and then display the picture. Uh,
Nice, nice, nice. That's good. That's good. Wait, do you know, there's any
Yeah.
closing remark? If there's any challenge that you have faced, because a lot of
Uh,
developers who must be watching this, you as a team may stuck somewhere, and then later on you probably would have found that solution probably in the
yeah.
documentation or probably from our zbyte support team. So was there any place that where you got stuck and then later on you found
Yeah.
a solution to it?
So one of the main things was in the hackathon we were tasked with the NFT minter. What can I say? Smart contract, right? Yeah. So that was new to us. We hadn't really worked on it before. We didn't really know how to do it exactly. The
Yeah,
documentation helped, but in the heat of the moment, like we only had like an hour or so to build the whole thing, right?
correct.
So, so during that, there was the simple NFT minter, the simple NFT smart contract and the NFT minter contract were quite similar in this sense, right? So when we tried to implement the NFT minter, we ran into I would say quite a lot of problems during because we were not aware how to exactly do it. The documentation was there, but again, in the heat of the moment, we were not able to correctly use that to our advantage.
Correct.
Right. So in the while we made quite a lot of progress in it, at the end we kind of had to shift back to simple NFT because the time was low and we had to at least like we have to complete the project on time, right? So I'd say that was one major hurdle that our team faced in this. So
Okay.
again,
Got it. So any
uh,
other dApp idea that you as a team are thinking now to build on zbyte probably because Web3 use cases are plenty, right? And a lot of hackathons are keep on happening, right? Is there any use case that you as a team have started discussing that you guys could build?
one of the things was I think that's what I thought of when I thought of this NFT is like something you could own, right? So
Mm,
was token passes for particular events instead of printing a physical pass that you can take, or instead of giving an online pass which can be printed minted as required, is a
mm,
great way to create passes for events, exclusive
mm.
events.
Correct.
That was one
Correct.
of the ideas I thought of. Uh,
That's nice, and actually, that's a great idea because the token gated access are a new and a big thing in the entire NFT and the Web3 space as well. So, leveraging the blockchain technology using these, as part of the event industry would be a great, phenomenal use case. So,
yeah,
wish you luck on that. I'm sure that you'll be able to figure out, right from the best UI and intuitive UI, easy for users to even mint some digital NFT passes or something, as you rightly said, right? So really looking
yeah,
forward to that as well. This output of the day looks phenomenal. I'm sure that you'll make it, other tabs as well. So really looking forward to see all of that. But this one
yeah,
looks great as well.
yeah. Thank you. Uh,
All right. Yeah.
Excuse me. This loaded while we were talking. Let me just share
Sure.
it.
Yes. Yes, please.
uh,
Yeah, it loaded while we discussed. But yeah.
Amazing. Amazing.
yeah,
So,
that's a memory.
yeah, that's a memory, and definitely, I mean, an image. This is, of course, just like a basic, dApp use case. That's why this might not, look a bit valuable, but the developers and the users, the viewers who are actually watching us, think about this image as anything which is very unique to yourself, and it's there on the blockchain, so nobody can actually delete it or change it.
Yeah,
That's make the entire blockchain technology is like immutable, right? So a lot of use cases are there, and yeah, this looks great. Thank you so much once again, Nishtha, Dvait, Nishiganta, and Sahil, and really looking forward to your another events ticketing tab. I hope
yeah,
that you guys can give like some very cool and unique name to that tab. And
yeah,
just ping us whenever you guys are ready. Yeah.
yeah. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you so
All
much.
right.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thank
so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.